Dr. Trust MCT oil is formulated to increase energy, endurance, metabolism, satiety, and brain function, especially when compared to other forms of fat. It's a nutritional supplement that consists of naturally occurring fats called medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. The best food source of MCTs by far is coconut oil. 100% derived from non-GMO and pure coconuts, the Dr. Trust MCT oil is 4 times more effective than regular coconut oil. Are you on the keto diet? Well, usually you'd have to fast, cut way down on carbs, or exercise really hard to get your body to produce ketones. With Dr. Trust, you can raise your ketone levels in a matter of minutes. The MCTs are more effectively absorbed and utilized to provide immediate energy instead of being stored as fat in your body, providing your brain with an almost immediate jolt of energy. So how do we use it? Start off your day with MCT oil in your coffee or a smoothie, then keep using it throughout the day, drizzled over food or salad for instance. Don't worry, it's odorless and unflavored. This actually allows you to eat more carbs than usual while still keeping you in ketosis. The magic of Dr. Trust MCT oil is that it creates a background level of ketones up to 0.7 millimoles per liter. Note that a blood ketone level of 0.5 is enough to suppress appetite. If you have not used MCT oil before, start small, maybe with a teaspoon, before moving to 1 to 2 tablespoons. Listen to your body and decide what works best for you, but with the analysis, be consistent for a few days or a week before deciding how much works best for you. Remember, MCT oil fills you up. This is a great healthy fat that's satiating, so you can go for longer periods without eating and get to lunchtime without an energy crash. Get fast, clean, and natural energy that your body will love with the Dr. Trust MCT oil.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.